Notice how Z's, which are the mezzanine joist, have different size flanges. This makes it possible for the joist to properly nest when they are installed. Before continuing, make sure to mark the center line of each joist location on top of your mezzanine girders. The spacing of your joists can be found on the engineering plans. Begin the first bay, placing the joist with the big flange down. On the second bay, the big flange will be up, so the joist will properly nest. Continue on until all joists are placed. If you are installing stairs in your mezzanine, you will need to alter your joist layout per the engineering plans. Next, install joist stabilization strap per engineering plans. Once joists have been secured, install the edge angle to both ends of the mezzanine. When installing, use flathead screws if possible to limit the amount of screws will interfere with any flooring.